Security tests your website and your AI endpoints right from the browser. Paste a URL, pick a depth, and it scans headers, cookies, and exposed files in real time. Against hosts you own, it fires safe proof-of-concept exploit payloads like a real pen test. Every finding is confirmed, linked into attack chains, and mapped to OWASP and PCI. And here's what's unique. Point the red team at your own AI. Drop in the endpoint, and it starts firing prompt injection and jailbreak attacks. Every risk is mapped to the OWASP PLM top 10. Prompt injection, jailbreaks, system prompt leaks, and tool abuse at a glance. TopRoute Security Check. Your website and your AI covered in one place.